Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify phone number on Exness account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Exness application. You can see over here Exness application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the accounts interface. So if you want to verify your phone number, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Verifying the phone number is the initial step for verification of your account. So if you want to verify your phone number, find the section for verification over here. Tap on the option verification. Now you'll be led to the verification interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see the verification steps. First of all, you'll have to confirm the email and phone number. After that, you'll have to verify your identity and you'll also have to verify your residential address. So if your phone number is not verified, your first step will not be completed. So what you have to do is tap on this option, complete now. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your email has been verified, you'll directly be led to this interface. If not, first of all, you'll have to verify your email and you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to verify your phone number, what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. After you enter the phone number, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Now you'll be sent a code via SMS. What you have to do is simply enter that code over there. After that, your phone number will be verified and you can also proceed to other steps of verification as well. So that is how you verify phone number on Exness account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.